guys, welcome back to the channel Great Programmer. How are you all? Hope you are doing well and in well. So in this video we are going to set up Firebase for our React.js project. So let's begin. So if you don't know what is Firebase, Firebase is a fully backend solution for us. It has authentication, backend database, storage, file, cloud storage, everything for us. Also it provides hosting, web hosting as well for free. So let's begin. In order to create a new project in Firebase, so first you need to sign in Firebase. So you need to go to console.firebase.google.com, sign in there with your Google account right there. Then you need to press on create new project, and you need to assign your project name. So in my case I would keep it Reactive and continue. And I don't want this Google Analytics. You can enable it if you want, but I am disabling it, and this would take some time. Till that, let's install Firebase npm package for our project in order to connect Firebase with the project. So let's go to npmjs.com. This is the command in order to install Firebase in the project. Yes, now let's open up the terminal and paste this command. As you can see here, the package has been successfully installed. So let's see whether the project has been created. So yeah, the project has been created. We need to press on continue. We need to proceed with the further steps. So the next step is to register our app with the Firebase. We need to tell that which kind of app we are going to use with this Firebase project, and you can use multiple apps as well. So there are 4 options right there. First is Apple, and second is for Android, third is for web, and fourth is for Unity. Let's use web because we are using web app. Now we need to assign our app name here. So let me keep it React First Project. You can keep your project name right there. And I don't want Firebase hosting for now. So let's directly register this app. Now as you can see here, we got this installation command here as well, but we have already installed it, so we can directly get this SDK right there, and we can create a file in source called firebase.js, or you can name it firebase.config.js as well. You can name it whatever you want, and you can paste the SDK right there, and let's save this. And let's press on continue with console. Now the next step is to enable authentication and the Firestore database. So let's enable the authentication first. So let's press on get started. So yeah, then you need to set up the signing method. Let's keep the email and password method for now. We also have some additional authentication providers as well. Yeah, as you can see here, there are a lot of providers. But for now, let's keep email and password. And also we need to enable Firestore database, which is here. Let it load. And now you need to press on create database, and let's use test mode. Let's use production mode for now, and let's press on next. Without changing the location, we need to enable this, and this takes some time. So as you can see here, we have successfully created our Firestore database. So we will start using Firebase from our next video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon as well. Don't forget to join my Discord server, link in the description.